Hi there! We received a special package from our friends at Brutus Bone Broth. If you follow us on Instagram, you know that Mojo is an ambassador, and from time to time we get to work events with them. They recently launched their cool treats and it looks like they sent us a little something to try. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright. It's a big box and they sent us a little message. Happy summer! We're excited for you to be among the first to try our newest innovation, the Brothsicle. Just freeze and enjoy. That's kind of cool. So let's see. I know what these are. These are broths. I want to be careful because I don't want to puncture the broths. But these are their plant-based salmon, and I think this is a pork. Yeah, pork flavored bone broth. You can find these at many local stores, Petco, PetSmart, Target, Chewy, and more. Mojo already gets those. And then it looks like, okay, let me just move the box out of the way. It looks like they sent us a little bag. It's very cute. New tissue paper. Just gonna push that out of the way. We got some Brutus Broth sunglasses. Getting ready for summer. What else? Some good wipes for the beach. Some seaweed bath soap. This is a body soap. They sent us a little bit of something. Brutus Broth tennis ball for Mojo. Looks like we have some Shameless Pets lobster roll soft treats. If you're familiar with Shameless Pets, they're actually friends with Brutus Broth, and they have sent us some samples before, so this is cool because Mojo hasn't tried this flavor yet. It looks like we have a couple of on-the-go broths from Brutus. These are really great. We take these camping. And what else do we have here? Oh, what is this? Oh, these are their Brothsicles. Mojo's so excited. So these are ready to go Brothsicles that you just freeze and then your dog can enjoy broth. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't pierce it. We'll make some for you and you can have some tomorrow. And the last thing, we got a little Foodtopia sticker. Well, thank you for sending us all these goodies, Brutus. We are so excited. Well, we're just gonna be so excited to try these. I'm gonna put these in the freezer tonight so they can be ready for tomorrow because Mojo's having a guest and we also have a heat wave coming, so I know these will be excellent for some treats and Mojo just can't wait to have them. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.